this week you're going to be getting started on your ECE Foundations final paper that is due at the end of Unit 7. But this week for your Unit 3 assignment, you get to start the paper. It is very important that you understand that you do not need to complete your whole paper this week. This week you are only completing the title page and the reference page for your instructor to look it over and make sure that you're off to the right start before you get going on your paper. So here I am in Unit 3. I've scrolled down to where it says Unit 3 ECE Foundations Final Paper, Title Page and Reference Page. You are going to base your topic choice from what you chose last week in Unit 2 for the Unit 2.2 Final Paper Topic Choice assignment. Whatever topic you chose for that assignment is the template that you're going to choose for this assignment. So, for example, if I chose Maria Montessori, that's a historical figure, so I would be choosing the template that goes with historical figure. So if I click here, it's going to open up to this. Here is my title page. Title page is the first page of your paper. I changed it so that it just said historical figure here. I changed it to where, since my historical figure is Maria Montessori, I wrote Maria Montessori here. You'll see it says your name. I put my name here. And then you would have the name of the school, the name of the course, which is already here for you. And then you put in your instructor's name and the due date for your assignment. Then you're going to scroll down to the reference page. That's the last page of your paper. The references should always be on a separate page from your actual paper. It's still in the same file, but it starts on the next page after you've completed writing about your paper. But remember, you're not writing your paper yet. So references are going to go here. These are examples of how to write your references in APA format. You need at least 3. 2 can be from within the course, and 1 you need to locate a reference on your own. You want to try and get references that are considered reliable and relevant, meaning they shouldn't be really old, they shouldn't be from like 1920, and they should not be from something like Wikipedia, because anybody can post information on Wikipedia. You want to try and find references that end in .edu, .org, .net, or they can also be YouTube videos, but you want to make sure that the YouTube video you choose is from a organization or something reliable, not just some person who was doing an assignment on Maria Montessori themselves and had to upload a video. So make sure to double check that. Now, in the red, once you're ready to write your 3 references, you would delete all this, but in the red, it's showing you how to put it in APA format. So if your reference has an author, you would put last name, first initial, middle initial if there is one, and then the year and the month date that the reference is from. The title of the article, let's say it's from a journal, you put the name of the journal here, and then URL, meaning you put the website there. Here's an example right below of one that does not have a title of a publication. It's just from a website, but you can see it's from .org, and we have the name of the organization moves to the front, and then you have the date, the title, and the web link. And then here's another example. Author's last name, first initial, here's the date, here's the title from the website that you're using. It's from a publication called Medium, and then here's the web link. Really important for you to understand that if there's no date, let's say this one above had no date, really easy. All you have to put is n.d. and then you're done. ND stands for no date. If there is no author, let's say the one above had no author, we would change it so that the title moves to the front. So then it becomes laziness does not exist, and then the date, and then the web link would go right after it, like that. So let's say you have your 3 references ready to go. I would type my 3 references here and then delete all these afterwards, just so you have it as a reference for how to write them in APA format. Your references get listed in ABC order, alphabetical order, by whatever the first letter is that you're going to be listing your reference, whether it's an author's name or an organization's name. And then your references are also double spaced, but your second, I'm going back to show you, the second line of your reference and any other lines in that particular reference get indented. So you'll see here it starts all the way on the left, and then the second and third line are indented. Your instructor is going to be helping you. Once you submit this assignment, you just need to attempt to put it in APA format, meaning you need to attempt those references following this list. Your instructor is going to help you put them in APA format if they are not in proper APA format. So make sure you go back and check your feedback from your instructor so that you can see if you need to make any tweaks for when you actually submit your final paper in Unit 7. So I also really quickly just want to show you, in the course, there are so many references that you can use to help you. Let's say you chose an early childhood model. You can use any one of these videos. Like if you chose Maria Montessori, you can use this video, The Montessori Philosophy, as one of your references. If you choose Bank Street, you can use the Bank Street video as one of your references. You can also use the course textbook as one of your references. Another great place to look for references is the NIAC library over here on the left. Has some great resources. Here's an inclusion resource. Here is a cultural and diversity one. If you choose multicultural education and cultural diversity as your topic. There are a few other ones in here if you're talking about DAP. You can also go to any of the units to look through to see if there's a reference that matches yours. Here, if you pick John Piaget, you can use this video, Piaget Stages of Development. There's tons of resources within the course, so definitely make sure to look through the course when you're looking for references. Once you're ready to submit your assignment, you go in Unit 3. Make sure you save the file as a name that you are going to remember to continue to work off of for the rest of the course. Once you have that saved on your computer, you're going to click here right on the title, Unit 3 ECE Foundations Final Paper. Then you're going to scroll to Browse Local Files. And then you're going to choose whatever name you have your paper saved as. I don't have a paper here, but I'll just choose a file, hit open. You'll see it attached down here, and then you just hit submit. And then you're done. I hope this video helped you understand how to complete the Unit 3 assignment. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your instructor.